Okay, children. So I was telling whether it is consistent or inconsistent. I think you have seen. Next question, children. Same like that only. Whether it's consistent or inconsistent, we will see, children. Y minus 4x is equal to 1. 6x minus 5y is equal to 9. Is it consistent or inconsistent? Is asking. Let's change these positions. Minus 4x plus y is equal to 1. So a1 by a2 is minus 6 by 4. b1 by b2 is minus 5y plus 1 is equal to 9 by 1. 2 3s are 2 2s are minus 3 by 2 and minus 5 by 1. Are they equal, children? No.
Not there.
Oh,
a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Means what, children? Unique and intersecting at one point, so it is consistent. It is consistent. Children, it is consistent. Okay. Next question, children. Those who did not understand, please see here, children. 14th question. So two coins are tossed. Find the probability of getting exactly one. 2 coins. 2 coins means total power of 2, 4 probabilities. 2, 2, 2 chips are tails, heads, tails, heads. What is the probability of getting exactly 2 tails?
1 by 4.
1 by 4.
No. What is the probability of getting exactly one head?
2 by 4. 1 by 2.
So one head is 2 by 4. That is 1 by 2. This is the question. Okay, children. Same. A letter English alphabet is chosen, children. Please see here, children. 14th one only or with them. A letter English alphabet is chosen at random. English. Children, a letter English is chosen at random. What is the probability of getting choose a letter is consonant, means not a vowel.
6.
Children, this one are vowels. This and this are vowels. Remaining all are consonants. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is the probability of consonants? Means
5 by 7.
5 by 7. Or what is the probability of vowels? 2 by 7.
2 by 7.
5 by 7 plus 2 by 7 is 1. I told you the sum of probability is always equal to 1. Okay, 15th question, children. If a pole of 6 meter length high cast, children, there is a pole of, please see here, children, there is a pole of 6 meter length. It casts a shadow of 2 to 3 meter on the ground. Because of the sun, this pole is casting a shadow. What is the angle of elevation of the sun? What is the angle of elevation of the sun? Tan theta is equal to
6 by
6 by
2
2
root
root 3.
3 by
Tan theta is equal to 3 by root 3. Tan 30 is equal to 3 by root 3.
3 by root 3. Rationalize, children. Root 3 by
Root 3 by root 3. 3 cancels. Tan theta is equal to root 3. Tan 30 is equal to
tan 60 is equal to tan root 3, children. Tan 60, sorry, children. Tan theta is equal to tan 60, children. So theta is equal to 60 degrees.
60
is
degrees.
the angle of elevation of the sun. 60 degrees is the angle of
tan theta is equal to 3 by root 3, no sir. Then in rationalization you took up root 3 also, no sir.
Yeah, no. So root 3 into root 3. No. This is
up sir.
This is 3 by root 3. 3 by root 3. Root 3 I rationalize. Root 3 is 3 and 3 gone. Only root 3 is left. Okay. I rationalize the denominator. 16th question. Children, sigma fi is equal to 11. Sigma fi xi is equal to 2p plus 52. And mean is 6. Question is find p. If ever you remember the formula,
6 is equal to 2p plus 52 by 11.
Mean is equal to sigma
fi xi by sigma fi.
Sigma fi. Sigma means summation, total. So children, this is 6 is equal to, this is given as 2p plus 52 by 11. 11 goes here. 66 is equal to 2p plus 52. This goes here. 2p is equal to 66 minus 52 is 14. P is equal to 7. P is equal to 7. Next. 17th question. 17th question, children, 1 second. Okay. Please operate it, children. Find the ratio in which line segments, children, 2 comma minus 3 and 5 comma 6 is divided by x-axis. Find the ratio when it is divided by x-axis. Okay, children, see 2 comma minus 3 and 5 comma 6 is divided by x-axis. On x-axis,
Y coordinate is 0.
Comma 0.
on x, one second, children.
So video is
What happened, children? You are not able to see.
we are able
No,
to
sir. Clear only.
0 is equal to
One
my
second, let me tell you, one second, children. X1, Y1, X2, Y2, children, like this somehow you should do this. On x-axis, y, using 0, find the ratio. Using ratio, find the x. Children, again I'm saying, using 0, find the ratio. Using ratio, find x, children. Okay, so, now tell them, xp
0 is xp is equal to mx2 plus sir my2. Okay, sir.
Nana, your audio is having disturbance.
Yp is equal to my2 plus ny1 by m plus n.
Now,
0 is equal
0
to
is equal to
m into 6 plus n into minus 3 by m plus n.
okay.
0 is equal to 6m minus 3n. 3n is equal to 6m. 3 by 6 is equal to m by n. M is to n is equal to 1 is to 2.
1 is to 2. M by n is equal to 1 by 2. Now, children,
Substitute.
now m by n is 1 by 2, children. M by n is equal to 1 by 2. This ratio we should substitute here. So, this is 1, this is 2.
1 into 5 plus 2 into 2 by 1 plus 2. xp is equal to 5 plus 4 by 3, 9 by 3. xp is equal to 3.
So 3 comma 0, 3 comma 0 divides line segment in 1 is to 2 ratio.
1 is to 2 ratio.
3 comma 0, 3 comma 0 divides the line segment in 1 is to 2 ratio. 3 comma 0 divides the line segment in 1 is to 2 ratio. Because they ask x-axis, I took y0. If they give y-axis, I will take 0 comma y. So children, like these questions, using 0 find ratio, using ratio find x, using 0 find ratio, using ratio find x. Children. Very, very important, some children. So many times in board exam they have asked this question. Okay, children, please keep copying, children. No one is sitting there. Please keep copying, children. Next question. See here. Question is like this, children. This is 21st question. 21st question actually. 21st question orbital. So children, see here. This is like this. This is 1 comma 7. This is 0 comma 0. This is 2 comma 0. This is D. This is B. This is C. This is A. So children, what they are asking in the given figure, BD is there. No, children, BD. BD bisects angle BD. BD bisects angle BD. BD bisects. Find the length of BD. Question is find the length of the BD. So children, in the given figure, BD bisects angle B. Find the length of BD. BD bisects angle B. Angle B. Okay, children. So what we have to do in this question. So children, find the length of the B. So children, just what we do means this is bisecting means they give angle B is bisected, children. BD bisects angle B. Let me check, children, once. What is this distance and what is this distance? Let me check, children, once. If not directly, we can't get, children, directly, because if it is bisecting means directly happily we used to find midpoint and we used to do, children. But they are giving it is bisected by this angle, children. Let me check this distance and this distance. Can anyone tell me AB distance formula, children? AB.
Under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square 1 minus 0 whole square plus 2 7 minus 0 whole square 1 square plus 7 square 1 plus 49 50 root 50.
And in the same way, BC also, children, we find out BC.
Under root of
2 minus 1
whole square 0 minus 7 whole square under root of 1 square plus minus 7 whole square under root of 50.
Children, yeah. Pranati,
Base angle.
your audio is coming disturbance, Pranati. Your audio comes disturbance. So, children, This is root 50. This is root 50. This is common side. This angle are equal. Try to understand. This side are equal. This is common side. This angle are equal. By SAS congruency, this triangle and this triangle are congruent. If they are congruent, AD is equal to CD. If AD is equal to CD, D is the
midpoint.
That's it. Yeah, I hope you understood, children, what was my intention, what I want to say. So first, why I found out this distances means I want to check whether this and this are equal. This and this are equal. This is common side. This angle, I say both angles are congruent. By CPCD, AD is equal to CD. If AD is equal to CD, D is the midpoint. And if I want to find out the coordinates of D, midpoint formula, 2 plus 0 by 2, comma, 0 plus 0 by 2. So what do you get? 1 comma 0. Children, 1 comma 0. This is midpoint formula. X1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Now let's find out BD distance. Let us find out BD distance. What is BD distance, children? So under root of 1 minus 1 whole square, 1 minus 1 whole square plus 7
minus 0 whole square.
7 minus 0 whole square.
And the root of 0 plus 7 square 49. 7.
7 is the answer. Very good. So children, directly you can't take it as a midpoint, children. Directly you can't take D as a midpoint. You have to prove it in the exam. By SAS it is. So like this you have to do, children. It's very, new variety of the sum. Even I am doing first time, children. So as we keep on doing different varieties of sums will come, our thinking, analyzing capacity will become more, children. Okay. Next question. Please practice the sums, children. Please practice the sums. Please practice sums from textbook and R.D. Sharma. If you are perfect with textbook, go to R.D. Sharma, children. Because again, you will not get opportunity. I will be discussing model papers, children. In triangle ABC, please see here, children. In triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degrees. AD and CE are 2 medians. This is also median. This is also median. Median is midpoint. This is also midpoint. Median is midpoint, children. Down is midpoint. Okay. AC is equal to 5, children. This is equal to 5. And AD is equal to, children, AD is equal to 3 root 5 by 2. What is CE? Children, try to understand. AC is equal to 5. AD is equal to 3 root 5 by 2. What is CE? They are asking. Children, very, very important sum, children. So many times in board exam, this question has come, children.
So AC is 3 root 5.
No, yeah, AD.
Okay, sir.
AD length is 3 root 5 by 2. AD length is 3 root 5 by 2. AC length is 5. CE is how much is the question? So children, please see here, children. Those who don't know this sum, please carefully practice the sum along with each other. Don't waste time. Don't sit idle and just stay at the laptop, children. Keep doing. Put pen on the paper. Okay, children. Children, this is X. This is X. This is Y. This is Y. Why, children? Because they are midpoints.
Point.
Or else, one more bit I will say, children. Please see carefully, children. Carefully, for the big triangle ABC is the Pythagoras theorem. Can anyone say ABC Pythagoras theorem?
AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square.
That's it. Now, can anyone say Pythagoras theorem for ABD, children? ABD. AD square is equal to
AB square plus BD square.
BD square. Okay. Can anyone tell Pythagoras theorem for CED, CBE?
EC square is equals to AE square plus AC square.
CE square is equal to BE square plus BC square. So children, I want an equation which has only AC, AD and CE to find out C. See carefully, children. I will do very, very easy sum, children. No need to panic. So just see here, children. Children, AD square is children. AD square. AD square, no problem, children. What is BD, children? What is BD?
BC by 2.
BC by 2 whole square, very good. So AD square is equal to AB square plus BC square by 4. If I take LCM, children, 4 AD square is equal to 4 AB square plus BC square. All of you understood this, children? All of you understood this? I took LCM and I got it this. Those who did not understand, actually see here this. See here, but see here. CA square is equal to, what is BE, children? What is BE?
AB by 2. AB by 2.
AB by 2 whole square plus BC square. Okay, CA square is equal to AB square by 4 plus BC square. So take 4 LCM and send it here. After taking LCM, 4 CA square is equal to AB square plus 4 BC square. Okay, children. Now add these two equations. This and this will actually this and this. When you add these two equations, 4 CE square plus 4 AD square. 4 CE square plus 4 AD square. 4 CE square plus 4 AD square is equal to AB square plus 4 BC square. AB square plus 4 BC square plus 4 AB square plus BC square. 4 AB square plus BC square. Please keep copying, children. Don't sit idle. Okay. 4 CE square plus 4 AD square is equal to 5 AB square plus 5 BC square. Hope you are able to understand, children. Now what we'll do means, see, children, 4 you take common, 4 times of CE square plus AD square is equal to 5 you take common, AB square plus BC square, AB square plus BC square. So 4 times of CE square plus AD square is equal to 5 times of AC square. Because, children, AB square plus BC square is AC square. AB square plus BC square is AC square. Now over, children. Now you can find CE you want, children. CE you want. What is AD given, children? AD given how much? 3 root 5 by 2. Children, are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I thought all of you learned. Okay, children. So 4 CE square plus 3 3s are 9, 9 5s are 45. 45 by 4 is equal to 125. This 4 you bring here, children. CE square plus 45 by 4 is equal to 125 by 4. Bring this here, children. CE square is equal to 125 by 4 minus 45 by 4. CE square is equal to 125 minus 45 is 80 by 4. CE square is equal to 16. CE square is equal to 4 square. This gone. CE is equal to 4. 4 2 no.
Sir, 20 will get no.
20. No one is saying what should it? CE is equal to root of 20. CE is equal to 2 root 5. 2 root 5 centimeters. If you don't write centimeters, marks. So children, how much is the sum? You just check, children. Directly, you should not get confusion, children. Whenever they ask, they will give this to this to find out this means you should not get confusion. You should have clear understanding that 3 Pythagoras theorem, join them and get the relationship between these 3. After getting the relationship, substitute you will get the answer. That understanding, children, what happens when you keep practicing so many times, you will get idea fast in the exam. If not in exam, you will be unnecessarily wasting time just by thinking how to do. If you practice now, children, in exam you will be doing very, very fast. By that you can save lots of time, children. You have to practice, children. Just by sitting in front of a laptop and seeing like a stone will not help you. You have to practice them, children. 24th question. 22nd children, not actually this. 23rd question. 23rd question is this like this, children. See here, triangles A, B, C, children. A, B, C, 90, D, 4 and 5. This is 4 centimeters. This is 5 centimeters. Question is ABC is right angle at BD is perpendicular. BD is perpendicular. BD is perpendicular. AD is equal to 4 and BC is equal to 5. Find BD and AB. Question is find BD and AB. This is the question. Find BD and AB. This is the question. Okay, we should find BD and also AB. So children, Children, all of you remember children. So I'll prove these both are, similar children. How I am proving them are similar, you see here children. Okay. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. Be careful that I am doing children. 1 plus 2 is how much?
90.
90. 3 plus 4 is how much?
90.
90. 3 plus 2 is how much?
90.
90. 2 gone, 1 is equal to 3. 3 gone, 2 is equal to 4. 90 gone, 3 gone. So children here, 1 and 3 are equal here, 2 and 4 are equal by AA similarity. By AA similarity, these both angles are similar. How they are similar, I will show you. Please be carefully listen. If you don't listen, you will never understand. Children, this is which is 90 degrees in both of them? D only. In both of them, D is 90 degrees. Here A was equal to here 3. Here A was equal to here 3. And here 2 was equal to here 4. Like this. Now, AD is how much, children? 4. BD is how much? We don't know. And AB is how much? We don't know. BD is how much? We don't know. CD is how much? 5. Children, since they are similar, apply CPST. Come on, children. Apply CPST, children. If you apply CPST, then you will understand. Okay, let's apply CPST, children. AD by BD is equal to BD by CD. Please try to understand. BD by CD is equal to AB
by BC.
AB by BC. Chalo, AD is given 4, BD we don't know, BD we don't know, CD is 5. We want BD only, no? 20 is equal to BD square. Come here. BD is equal to root of 20. BD is equal to 2 root 5 centimeters. Like this, we should do in exam. In textbook, this theorem is given that a perpendicular when dropped from vertex divides the triangle into similar triangles. Perpendicular from the vertex divides the triangle into two similar, but proof they did not. This is the proof. AA similarity. Best proof, children. Remember, children, it will be helpful in doing various sums. 24th question. Okay, children, 24th question they are saying, draw a circle of radius 3 centimeters. Draw a circle of radius 3 centimeters. Okay, and from 6 centimeters away from the center. From 6 centimeters away from the center, construct tangents. How will you construct? First, locate the midpoint.
Midpoint of
after line and draw the circle. Draw a circle from here one tangent, from here one tangent. Measure the tangent. They should be equal because tangents we can point out equal. Okay, children. Next question. 2 sine 2 theta is equal to root 3. Find the value of theta. Bring 2 down, children. Sine 2 theta is equal to root 3 by 2. Sine 2 theta is equal to sine 60. 2 theta is equal to 60. Theta is equal to 30 degrees over. Next question, children, in that only. Root 3 sine theta is equal to cos theta. Find theta again. Bring cos here, root 3 here. Sin theta by cos theta is equal to 1 by root 3. Sin by cos is?
Tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3. Tan 30.
Tan 30. So theta is equal to 30 degrees because tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Okay, so the next question. Okay, question is write first 4 terms of AP whose first term and common difference are given as A is equal to 10 and D is equal to 10. Very easy question. Write first 4 terms. First term is 10, second term is 10 plus 10, 20, third term is 30, fourth term is 40, and so on. Very easy question. 27 question. Prove 3 minus root 5 is an irrational number. 3 minus root 5 irrational number means first you have to put it as A by B.
A by B.
Bring the 3 here, children.
Minus root 5 is equal to?
No. Bring this here, root 5 there. So 3 minus A by B is equal to root 5. So B is the LCM. 3B minus A is equal to root 5. Now you have to do root 5 entire procedure. And if root 5 is irrational, this is root irrational. You have to do entire procedure. You should do, children. Entire procedure. Next, prove the line segment joining the points of contact of 2 parallel tangents of circle passes through its center. Children, 2 parallel tangents are there, children. Two parallel tangents are there. Two parallel tangents are there, children. Passes through the center. This line joining passes through the center. Because it is a parallel tangent, children. In parallel tangents, co-interior angles are supplementary. Co-interior angles are supplementary. Co-interior 2x, children, parallel tangents, co-interior angles are supplementary. Means this is 90, this is 90, and radius only passes through the center. Because this is 180 you are taking, children, and this is diameter. This is diameter. Textbook question, very easy one. 29th question. Find the roots of the following equation by factorization only. 3x square plus 5 root 5x plus 10 is equal to 0. By factorization, you want by factorization. 3 tens are 30. In the middle, we want 5 root 5. Yes, anyone factors? 3 tens are 30. In the middle, we want 65 root 5. So please see here.
2 root 5 and 3 root 5.
2 root 5, 3 root 5. Nowhere plus and minuses are. Okay, very good. 3 root 5x plus 2 root 5x. No, 1 root 5. Yeah, 3 plus 2. Okay. Yeah, correct. Plus 10 is equal to 0. Very good, Nana. 3 plus 2 is 5 root 5. 3 2s are 6, root 5, 5. 6 5 are 30. Correct. So in this board, 3x if you take common, x plus root 5. In this board, you take 2 common. What will take 2 root 5 common? 2 root 5. Then only you get x plus whatever you get here and here you get automatically. X plus root 5 is equal to 3x plus 2 root 5 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus root 5 and 3x is equal to minus 2 root 5. Bring it here. So minus 2 root 5 by 3. Children, I hope you people are copying and you people are practicing. Please practice, children. Don't waste time. How much time is possible also, no problem. But keep on practicing, children. Don't sleep. Wake up early. Try to do as many sums as possible. Sleeping anytime you can do, children. Root 2x plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, children. So, children, 6 2s are 12. And here we have 1 root 2x. 1 root 2 I want. 1 root 2. 1 root 2. Root 2 means 1 root 2. 12 I want. Yes, children, anyone?
Sir, 4 root 2
Sir.
and 3 root 2. 3 root 2 and 4 root 2.
3 root 2 and?
4 root 2.
No. 3 root 2 and 4 root 2 means 4 3s are only 12 you are getting.
3 root
12 2s
2
are
and
24.
2 root 2.
Huh? What, Nana?
3 root 2 and 2 root 2, sir.
3 root 2 and 2 root
Minus
2.
3
Yeah,
root
3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Super, correct. Correct. 6x square minus 3 root 2x plus 2 root 2x plus 2 is equal to 0 because minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. 3 2s are 6, root 2 root 2, 12 children. So in this board, what will take common, children? What will take common, children? 3x.
3.
Okay, 2x minus root 2x. Okay, children. Can I take 3 orals? We will take the orals. What we will do is see here, neat addition. 6x square minus 3 root 2x plus 2 root 2x plus 2 is equal to 0. In this both, I will take 3 root 2 common, children. 3 root 2x if I take common, root 2 will come. Root 2 into root 2, 2 2 3 is 6. X minus 1. So children, root 2 into root 2, 2 3 is 6. So if this is 1, children, and here I will take 1 and 2, children. 2 if I take root 2x minus 1. Is it correct?
Sir, plus 1, sir.
But here minus is there, no? Somewhere we did wrong, children. Our factors are wrong. Our factors are going wrong. Because plus into minus is minus, but here plus is here. If I put plus here, minus is coming. So our factors are wrong. Some other factors are possible. Any other factors are possible? 3, and any other factors are possible, children? One second. Check. Okay. Correct only. No, this is minus 16. I know caution. Now correct. So what is common, children, in both of them?
3 root 2. Root 2x minus 1 plus root 2 common.
What is common? 2.
2
is
common, sir.
Root 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Root 2x minus 1 into 3 root 2x plus 2 is equal to 0. Root 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Root 2.
Okay, x is equal to 1
1 by root 2 and x is equal to 2 by root 3 by 2.
root 3 by 2. Okay, children, so like this. Next
Root
question.
3 root 2, sir.
Yeah, 3 root 2 by 2. Okay, yeah, thank you, children. Next question. And dice is thrown one time, children. One second. Question number 30, children. Please see here, children. A die is thrown once. Once a die is thrown once, children. See, die is thrown once means what will be having, children? 1, 2,
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
4. A die is thrown once. Find the probability of getting a prime number.
3 by 6, 1 by
3
2.
by 6.
Prime number is 3 by 6. That is 1 by
1 by
2. What is the probability of getting between 2 and 6? Between 2 and 6.
3 by 6.
3 by
3 by
6.
6, which is 1 by 2.
3 by 6, that is 1 by 2. Next. What is the probability of getting an odd number?
3 by 6,
3
1
by
by
6, 1 by 2.
3 by 6, that is 1 by 2. This is 30th question, children. 30th question, only one more bit is there, children. Please see here. Exam is there, children. Please concentrate. 2 different dice are thrown. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 1, 1, 2,
1,
1,
2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6,
Okay.
5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6,
Okay.
6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6.
Very good. Fantastic. So question is, children, what is the probability of numbers have sum less than 7? Sum should be less than 7. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. These all are 5. These all are 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
By 36.
Probability less than 7 is 15 by 36. 3 5s are 3 12s are, that is 5 by 12. Less than 7. Less than 7 is up to 6 items, children. Up to 6 items. Be careful, children. You should be. Have a product less than 16. Product should be less than 16. Product less than 16. Where is 16 coming? 16 coming.
4 into 4 below that.
Okay, children. This is so. It is a 15.
21 by 36, sir.
Less than 16.
Yes, sir, because one more line you add up, sir, for 15.
No. This see here. See, these all are less than 16. These all are less than 16. This and here.
So 24 by 36 it will come, sir.
This is this, okay? How? Okay, let me check now. So less than 16, no? Let's remove this. Let's remove this. Let's remove this. Let's remove this. That's all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 if you remove.
Even 4, 4 also should remove, sir.
Yeah, which less than 16. Yeah, you should remove this also. Now what is the answer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 if you remove, 36 minus 11 is 25. 25 by 36. That is the answer. Okay, children. A doublet of odd numbers. Doublet of odd numbers. Doublet.
36.
Doublet. 113355. So 3 by 33, that is 1 by 2. Well, okay, children. So some more questions are there, children. We will do it tomorrow because yes, children, it's enough. Tomorrow we will discuss, children. I will be messaging the time and the group. Please see and come morning, children. Morning also I'll take more class. Okay, more time I will take. Thank you so much, children.